Yep. And I'm playing in Nolan. Bella and if you want to go to the beach, tell your parents or you can do a bunch of chores and then you can buy yourself a car and then you can go to the beach. That's what you can do and that's gonna be so fun.